Introduction. Welcome back to King Bike. Today, we're taking a look at the Hero HF Deluxe, one of the most popular commuter motorcycles known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and affordable maintenance. Design and styling. The Hero HF Deluxe features a simple yet attractive design. With stylish graphics, a comfortable seat, and practical bodywork, it is designed for everyday riders who need a dependable motorcycle for daily commuting. Engine and performance. The HF Deluxe is powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine that delivers smooth and efficient performance. The engine is tuned for city riding, offering easy handling and a comfortable riding experience in traffic conditions. Mileage and comfort. One of the biggest strengths of the Hero HF Deluxe is its excellent fuel economy. The motorcycle is built to maximize mileage, making it a budget-friendly choice. Its comfortable suspension and upright riding position also help reduce fatigue on longer rides. Features and safety. The bike comes with features such as i3S technology on selected variants, an electric start option, alloy wheels, and a combined braking system for improved safety and convenience. Conclusion. The Hero HF Deluxe is an ideal motorcycle for riders looking for affordability, reliability, and impressive fuel efficiency. It continues to be a trusted choice for daily commuting across many regions. Thanks for watching King Bike. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and updates.